Hi there. Today we will examine the components and assembly of the G-Run Mini Plus Horizontal Immersed Gel Electrophoresis Unit. Here are the components of the G-Run Mini Plus Horizontal Gel Electrophoresis Unit. It is a fully molded apparatus with a buffer tank and lid with a capacity of up to 400 ml to prevent leakage. It has a casting tray of 10 into 10 centimeter and 2 silicone rubber casting dam. Attach the silicone dams to the tray as demonstrated in the video and pour the gel solution. This unit offers 4 types of wells. First one is a 16-well comb with 1 mm thickness. Second one is 8 well of 1.5 mm thickness. Each comb has screws to adjust the comb's height, which determines the depth of the well. Third one is 8 well comb of 1 mm thickness. Lastly, this one is of 16 well of 1.5 mm thickness. Adjust the comb height by loosening the screws to create wells of desired depths. Tighten the screws after adjusting comb and place inside to create wells. After the gel is set, remove the combs and the casting dams. Place the tray inside the buffer tank. Close the lid and connect the electrodes to a power supply. Your setup is ready to use.